a new chapter. Name of the chapter: the quality of a successful businessman. When a person is wanted to start a business, what are the quality must in this businessman, which improve his business is very good efficiently? Let us, we can say here some qualities of a successful businessman. First quality is personality. First quality is personality, because a person who have attractive personality, he is good for the business. If have no good personality, he have no improvement in his business. Like the businessman's height, bred soldiers, and other qualities. Attractive face is the must. Cheerful smile is a part of the personality. Clear? In the first utility of the successful businessman is personality. Second, courtesy. Courtesy means is that politeness. If a person have politeness, he won the world, because the olden time a thought is going on to the in all over the world. तुलसीदास जी सेज, तुलसी मीठे बचन ते सुख उपजत चहु और, वसीकरण एक मंत्र है तज दे बचन कठोर. इस thought is successful businessman applied in his business, so he gets success in his business. Third point is tactful. A successful businessman want to be a technique to handle his customer. It is a good for the person, because a tactful man is also a successful businessman, because we can make in success and go forward in his business because we have a tactful. Next is character. In olden times we can say money is lost, nothing is lost. Character is lost, everything is lost. Each thought, each in the business is most important, because a character person is responsible and has a good goodwill in the business. So we can say a good character person gets success in his business. It is a good quality of a successful businessman. Like the others, laborious. A good person always must be a laborious. If a person not to be laborious, he cannot get success in his business, because business is going on to the laborious persons. Like that, you know that we have learnt ourselves, if we have not do work hard in the study, we cannot got much success. If want to the success and achieve his goals, we must work hard. So it is quality in the successful businessman. Honesty. A successful businessman must be honest. If a successful businessman, his sales is good with honesty, his sales broking or the records of the sales, so must be a successful businessman is honesty. Next, alertness. The successful businessmen have the alertness in his business, because he must have the knowledge of the market. He alertness on the prices of the goods decreased and increased. If the decrease, so how much he deal the business, so and increase how much he deal with his goods. So alertness is the next options. Next option is courage and patience. The successful businessman also must be courageous and the patience. He have courage in every time. For example, in this period, a lockdown is followed by the government for the corona. Every businessman felt difficulty in his business. how can open his shop. He tremble, he must face many difficulties, but the man who does not lose his courage and patience in this difficulty time, so the man get success in the future. But in the current period he have to the must courage and patience. Next, cooperative spirit. A man business is going with the cooperative. A man cooperate with others. If cooperative stream not have to the two businessmen and others, the business not going on well, because we must purchase good to other merchant, yeah, other shopkeepers. If they have good communication, good cooperation, the business is going on to well. Next, discipline. Discipline is the must in every field. For examples, as a studies, as a shops, as a company, as a firms, because every disciplined person gets success. Because a shopkeeper get ups in 10 a.m. and he close his shop at 6 p.m. He cannot get good success. But he get discipline, he got success when he currently regularly get up early in the morning and late in the night. Then the successful businessman get successful because got success, because a successful businessman wanted to discipline, must be disciplined continuously. If he open a shop one day 10 a.m., other in 11 a.m., other is closed whole day, the business is not going to well. So, like this example, every person must be disciplined. Another, the value of the time. In olden time and the present time and the future, it is the must of the time. Men understand the value of the time. The person who understands the value of the time, because we can say that time is money today. The time is money because time which have goes on today never come in the future. So a successful businessman wanted to value of time. He must be respect of time. So he get success in business. Others, goodwill. In above points, we see that if a successful businessman follow the following points, then he get a goodwill. Goodwill is a particular things that he earned with his honesty and popularity. Popularity is a must with it coming with the hard work. So if the goodwill is a assets of a person's, of a businessman, because it is not comes in today and tomorrow, it is earned by the businessman in long time, long years, many years. After many years working the business, he get the goodwill. So a successful businessman wanted to goodwill and he give the assets. Quick memory. A successful businessman wanted to be a quick memory. If he have a quick memory, he give the answer to his customers and his cooperative businessman. If he have a quick memory, the customer and his agents are happy, must be happy, and the goodwill is increased by the quick memory and good behavior. Every person's wanted to live in society, and every person must be polite and a good behavior to other persons. If he have not good behaviors to the other persons, the every business, every studies, every field, he cannot get success. So a good behavior is going on to the a good businessman. It is a good quality of a successful businessman. Friends, this is the most of the qualities. If you like these qualities, understand this, please write on the notebook. It is the homework for all of you to all the qualities of a successful businessman. Listen this video and write the following points in a headings and express his views on these points. Thanks.